Tuwapigie makofi kwa mataifa viongozi wa flag of ceremony.
Introduce for us the governors and the spouses and the teams. And
I'm happy to see all of you and welcome to the spouses to governors present from also. We have Oscar von Maltazan.
Given the arid and semi-arid nature of these regions, the donations will boost healthcare access in these counties by bringing services closer to the people. Today's contribution aligns with the healthcare pillar of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, otherwise known as BETTER, which focuses on strengthening primary healthcare and health systems capacity.
We have actually now moved away from focusing on curative services, and we have gone back to the basics of ensuring that we promote healthcare, that we prevent diseases, and we rehabilitate those amongst us who may have health issues. Those are the basics, and we know that that is going to be the game changer on matters healthcare of this country.